Okay, so now that we have all of our different tabs set up, we can click through and we can see each of our data. And these ones, I personally prefer to color code mine, so I use blue for data that I gained experimentally, and I like to use orange for data that I've calculated. So now that we have this set up, it's a little bit annoying to have to click through each of these tabs to look at the chart. So what we're going to set up is a dashboard. So we're going to add another sheet. I'm going to move it all the way here to the front. We'll right click, rename it dashboard. So now what we can do is we can go to each of these pages and you can either press Control C or you can click here on the three dots and click copy chart. We're going to come over here to dashboard, and I always like to put my name here at the top just so that way it's very obvious who this is, whose lab report this is. And I'm either going to press Control V or I'm going to press paste. Then I'm going to go to my second one, same thing, Control C or the three dots and copy. Come here and paste. You might notice that I cheated a little bit and used the same data for two of these. I'm going to press Control C for my third plot, come back over here to dashboard, and press Control V. So now all my graphs are in one place. Another thing you can do is you can resize by pressing the corner. And also if you bring it in, you'll see these little red lines, and Google Sheets will automatically line up to make things the same size, and these blue lines will tell you when these are the same size. If you want to make sure it's exactly the same size, you put one on top of the other, resize it. But now you can just see all of these a little bit more readily in one place. So to summarize, in our workbook, we have our dashboard, which has all of the information that we can look at a glance. We have each of our tabs for our different equations. And then depending on what you need, you can have more tabs for other items. So here I have my character chart, but it's just a good way to have everything all in one place. Now, another reason that we like this is because we can come here and press File and Download, and as a PDF document. And if we go from current sheet, that'll just do the sheet we're at, but we can do workbook. And now we can very easily save each of our tabs that we did our work on as a PDF. So you can do export and save it. And that way, if a teacher doesn't want you to turn something in as a Google Sheet, you can turn it in as a PDF.